Claim procedure under FIDIC conditions of contract 99 edition. Under FIDIC conditions 99 editions, subclass 20.1 deals with contractor claims. If contractor consider himself entitled for additional payment and or extension of time under any clause of these conditions and otherwise in connection with the contract, the contractor shall provide notice within 28 days. The notice shall describe events giving rise to claim. If contractor fails to give the notice within 28 days, the contractor shall not be entitled for any additional payment or any extension of time, and employer shall be discharged from his liabilities. However, if contractor provides notice within 28 days, following procedure shall be adopted. First of all, in addition to notice under subclass 20.1, the contractor shall also submit any other notices as required under the contract along with supporting documents. Thereafter, the contractor shall keep record straight as necessary to support the claim. The record may be kept at the site or at any other location acceptable to the engineer. Without admitting to the employer's liability, the engineer, on receipt of notice from the contractor, shall inspect the record, and or the engineer may also instruct the contractor to keep further reasonable records. It is the obligation of the contractor to allow engineer for inspection and provide copy of record if required. Where event causing claim does not have continuing effect within 42 days or any other time as agreed by the engineer, the contractor shall send fully detailed claim of time and or additional payment along with supporting documents. Where event causing claim has continuing effect, the detailed claim shall be considered as interim. Contractor shall submit interim monthly claim giving accumulated delay and or additional payment, and the contractor shall submit final claim within 28 days or such other period as agreed by the engineer after end of event causing claim. The engineer within 42 days or any other such period as agreed by the contractor after receiving the claim shall respond with approval or disapproval along with detailed comments. If EOT is granted, it shall be granted as per clause 8.4 extension of time for completion and additional payment under a relevant clause of the contract. Where event causing claim does not have continuing effect, say event causing claim has occurred on this point, the contractor is required to provide notice as soon as possible but not later than 28 days. Thereafter, the contractor has to submit claim within 42 days after the event, and engineer is required to respond the claim within 42 days or other period as approved by the contractor after submitting the claim. Where event causing claim has continuing effect, suppose event causing claim has occurred on this point, the contractor is required to provide notice as soon as possible but not later than 28 days after event. Thereafter, the contractor is required to submit the claim within 42 days. This claim shall be treated as interim claim. Thereafter, contractor shall submit interim monthly claims. Say event causing claim has stopped on this point. Within 28 days or other period as approved by the engineer, the contractor shall submit final claim to the engineer. The engineer is required to respond the contractor's claim within 42 days or other period as approved by the contractor. Payment of claim. Each payment certificate shall include amount for those claim which has been substantiated. Claim procedure in FIDIC 1987 edition versus FIDIC 1999 edition. Under FIDIC 1987 edition, claim procedure has been defined in 5 subclasses: subclass 53.1, 53.2, 53.3, 53.4 and 53.5. However, in FIDIC 1999 edition, claim procedure has been defined only in single subclass, that is 20.1, contractor's claim. In subclass 53 of FIDIC 1987 version, only remedy of additional payment has been provided. However, in subclass 20.1 or FIDIC 1999 version edition, in addition to additional payment, remedy for extension in time has also been provided. Second major change has been made, that is, in FIDIC 1987 version, if contractor fails to provide notice of claim within 28 days, he shall be entitled for additional payment to the extent it has been verified by the engineer or arbitrator. However, in FIDIC 1999 version edition, if contractor fails to provide notice of claim within 28 days, he shall not be entitled for additional payment and or time. Engineer is required to consult with employer and contractor before his assessment in FIDIC 1987 edition. However, in FIDIC 1999 edition, engineer is not required to consult with employer and contractor before giving his assessment. Contractor is required to submit claim within 28 days after the notice of claim. However, in FIDIC 1999 edition, contractor is required to submit claims within 42 days instead of 28 days.